it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Whynter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, Whynter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Whynter ARC14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions, the ARC14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our Whynter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your Whynter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.
This video has been created to help you get started in setting up your Longhi portable air conditioner. Your air conditioner unit is heavy. Don't try to lift it out of the box. Instead, simply lift the box up over the unit. Next, check all the parts in the box. With just a few simple steps to follow, your air conditioner will provide you with complete comfort in no time. To set up without permanent installation, first place the unit next to the window or door you wish to fix the hose. Make sure the air intake and outlet grills are not obstructed. Screw the hose adapter onto the end of the exhaust hose if not already fitted and attached to the back of the appliance. Now, connect the window outlet to the other end of the hose. The hose can extend to 1.2 meters, which is just over 47 inches, and can be angled as necessary. Next, fit the window bracket. It can be fitted to double hung, sliding, and casement windows, or a sliding door when using the extension kit. To fit a double hung window, place the bracket in the windowsill horizontally and extend the bracket fully within the window frame. Fix the bracket by using the pin, then lower the window onto the bracket. Connect the window outlet on the hose to the slot in the window bracket. For sliding windows and doors, position the bracket vertically with a hole at the bottom, again extending as necessary to seal the gap. For casement windows, place the window outlet outside the window to expel the hot air. For optimal results, close the windows and doors in the room to be cooled. The air conditioner needs to expel the hot air outside when the machine is in air conditioning, heating, or dehumidifying mode, but not when in fan-only mode. Do not use the appliance in very damp rooms such as laundries. Close blinds and curtains to reduce exposure from the sun. This will help make the appliance run more economically. Do not obstruct the air intake or outlet grills, and never cover whilst in use. At the end of the season, drain the water from the unit by removing the cap on the back and allow the water to drain out into a bowl. For further information about our air conditioners, check out the customer support section on our website.